In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the glaring issue here on iOS 26. If your screen looks too bright, washed out, or hard on the eyes after updating, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the fixes. But before we get started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you do have any questions throughout the duration of this guide, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But first things first, go ahead and navigate into settings. And once you do get into settings, go ahead and scroll down and find accessibility and then click on display and text size. Now here's the key things to check. Make sure reduce transparency is turned off. Make sure increased contrast is turned off, and also check to see that smart invert is off just because it can cause a strange color and brightness effect. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is back out and then press and hold on anywhere on your home screen, and up in the top left select edit and then select customize just like so, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Here you're going to see different style options. I recommend starting with the default option to see if that glare goes away. If needed though, switch between clear and dark, or just find whatever looks best for you. Now while customizing, I also recommend checking display modes. You can switch between the auto section, dark, and light as well. Depending on your lighting and wallpaper, one of these might reduce glare significantly, but overall, that's how you can reduce the glare effect here on iOS 26. It's all about by adjusting your accessibility settings and customizing your home screen style. But if you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on before you leave. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.